Come test drive the 2016 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.